In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a row report in Smartsheet. A row report is really useful when you want to pull specific rows from one or more sheets and see them all in one place. It doesn't change your original sheets. It just gives you a filtered, focused view so you can manage work more easily. Start from your usual Smartsheet home or default view. Look for the Create option in your workspace, usually near the top left. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose the one that says something like Summarize information by filtering and grouping data from multiple sheets. This tells Smartsheet you want to build a report, not a new sheet or dashboard. When the report options appear, select Row Report. This is important because Smartsheet also has other report types, and we specifically want to work with rows. After choosing Row Report, you'll see a setup screen with a Get Started button. Go ahead and click Get Started to move into the report builder. Now you'll define where this report will pull its data from. In the Sources area, click into the section that lets you choose what to report on, then click on Sheets. From the list that opens, select the sheet called First Project. This is the sheet that contains the project data you want to report on. You can always add more sheets later, but for now we'll focus on this one. Once it's selected, confirm it, then click Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll choose which columns from the source sheet should be visible in your report. Click into the column selection area, then scroll or search for the column named Project Sheet and make sure it's included. After that, click Next again to go to the filtering step. Now we'll tell Smartsheet which rows should appear. Click where it says Select Field to choose the column you want to filter by, and select the Budget column. This means your condition will apply to the budget values. Next, click into the condition dropdown and choose Is Blank. By doing this, you're creating a report that only shows rows where the budget cell has not been filled in. This is great for quickly spotting missing or incomplete data. Once your filter reads something like Budget is blank, click Apply. Smartsheet will generate your row report, showing only the rows from your first project sheet that match that condition. You now have a focused row report you can save, share, and update as your project data changes.